I think you put Daddy to sleep. Billy almost just woke him up. He's not snoring anymore. Daddy. Yeah, I think I did. I think I got him snoring.